So hello and welcome to this video. In this video we'll be going to learn method. Alright. Now a method is a block of code that performs certain actions, or we can say that method is a block of code which only runs when it is called. Alright. Now a method should be created or declared inside the class. Alright. So if I will be creating a method, I'll be creating like inside this class known as methods 01. Now here we can see that there is a main method, that is public static void main string args, so which is the most important part of a program. All right. Now if you are like writing a Java program, this main method, which is a predefined method, should be included. All right. And now we'll be creating our own method, which is known as user defined method, that is method defined by the user. All right. So I'll be saying that public static void, I'll be like giving a name to my method, say hi. All right. So say hi is the name of my method. I'll be saying that system.out.println hello. Okay. So static, all right. So in my method there is there are two keywords known as static and void. So public is known as an access modifier. So we'll be learning about the modifiers in later videos. All right. So static and void, that is two keywords. All right. So static says that this method say hi belongs to this class, that is methods 01. All right. And void says that this method say hi will not return any kind of value to our console. All right. So if we call this method is not going to return any kind of value. Okay. Instead, it will be printing this statement, or you can say this string, to my console. Okay. So let us call this method inside the main method. Okay. To see the output. So I'll be saying say hi. So this is how we can call a method inside your Java program. All right. Now this is the most basic Java program of like how to declare methods and how to call a method. All right. So you can see that in our console we have got an output saying hello. Okay. So hello is like inside this method. So this method is performing some actions. Okay. So this method is giving output hello to my console when it is called. Okay. So let us see some more examples of method. So I'll be saying that public static. So this is the syntax of like creating a method. So public, I'll be saying public static int add int x and int y, which will return the sum of the two numbers, that is x and y. So let me explain you about this method. Now this method also uses the same keyword static, which determines that this method add belongs to this class methods 01. Okay. And we have passed some of the datas in our method. All right. So we have passed like int x and int y. Now the data passed inside this method are known as parameters. Okay. And this int that determines that this method will be returning a value of integer data type. Okay. So if I would say that instead of saying say hi, I'll be commenting this statement. I'll be saying system.out.println result. I will be saying add. I'll be giving two numbers, that is 34 and 21. Okay. So you can see 34 and 21 are my two parameters to my method, for my method add. Okay. Now if I would run this program, you can see in my console the output will be 55. So result is 55. Okay. Now as I've said that this method will return a value of integer type. That is why I'm using this int keyword over here. All right, so this means that this method will return a value that is integer type, and these things that we have passed inside our method, all right, are known as parameters. So again, I will be saying that parameters are something that is passed inside to my passed inside the methods. So these are the datas, that is int x and int y. Okay, so this is how you can create method, and you can call the method inside the main method. All right, so this is our main method, that is public static void main string args, and inside this main method we can call our user defined method, as I've called add and say hi. All right, so this was all for this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.